Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing out stock grips on my 2024 Heritage with the Avon Black Diamond grips. Let's go check it out. Okay, so these are my new grips. These are the Avon Black Diamond grips, American-made product in Texas. Yeah, check them out. Little stock. It's kind of plain. Oh yeah. All right, we're going to start by loosening this up. There's a screw here and a screw here. Is a T25 Torx. And we're also going to loosen up. Not all the way off, but loosen up. We're going to pull this apart. Got some room. Look at that, slides right out again. So now that we've got that off, we've got the old grip off. You see that this is geared. So this is the throttle by wire. All right, so there's corresponding gears in here. I don't know if you can see it, but the one for the throttle side has corresponding gears inside. It's actually geared or toothed all the way around. Right, the one on the other side is smooth. So this one does not have any logos on it, so it doesn't really matter which way it goes. So back on here, you'll see that should be set in the grooves. Right back on. Before I tighten that all the way. Now I'm actually, for me, going to adjust this a little bit because I've been meaning to adjust that anyway. I want to angle it down a little bit for my reach. I'm sure there's a torque spec for that. If somebody wants to look it up and leave a comment, go right ahead. I'm going to get it tight, but not so tight that I strip it, hopefully. Okay, we'll tighten this back up. Throttle check. Should snap right back. Nice. I like them already. Sweet. Let's do the other side. Okay, so we're going to do a similar thing here. Actually, just going to get this out of the way. Loosen up the clutch clamp too. That was loose already. Okay. So I don't plan on reusing the stock grips. We're cutting them off carefully. to scrape all of this off. All right, that feels pretty good. Another new grip. See how it slided. So you're sliding this on, right? Once it gets till you feel resistance, you're going to push it in. All right, about another inch or so. So adjusted that like on the other side, just for me personally, for my grip work with my fingers. Good, that's it. Too easy. All right, folks, that's it. Pretty quick change out, pretty easy to do, just a couple of tools. And man, I think it makes a big difference. These are the new ones. Yeah, I like them. That's it for today. Hey, thanks again for hanging out with me. If you like this, like what I'm trying to do here, hit the like button. Maybe consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Again, if you made it this far in the video, really, truly thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Happy Bike Week started today. I'm actually not headed down there. I'm heading the other direction. I'm going up to ride the mountains in Northeast Georgia here in a couple of days. I will take some video and do some content on that as well. Really, really, really looking forward to it. Take care. Stay safe. Let's go ride.